Chinese-owned roofing and tiles manufacturer National Building Material Group has ventured into the Kenyan market with a new production facility in Machakos County. The facility has a capacity to produce 4 million stone roofing tiles and 3 million iron sheets. This facility marks CBNM's second operation in Africa following its first company in Nigeria and is its first such facility outside of Asia.
The new factory aims to serve the East African region, enhancing the availability and quality roofing material. Hu Shuang, General Manager of Sioma Roofing System Kenya Company, announced plans to increase production to 8 million tiles by the end of the year. This expansion is expected to create more jobs opportunity for local residents, boosting the region's economic growth.
We will, no doubt, will take our responsibility, and we also negotiation with Nairobi University and any other colleague. This factory will be also the practice basis for the skills.
Machakos Governor Wafinya Ndeti has underscored the importance of foreign investment in Kenya, saying foreign direct investment will help grow the economy.
Yes, you have seen also young people here signing contracts today. Yeah, and I am sure this company and many other companies here will continue having those partnership with the young people and business community of this country to do business.
The target market, of course, we target the Kenyan homes, but our main people that we want to partner with are the resellers, the wholesalers, yeah, because these are the people who understand the people that they involve with basically on a day-to-day basis. So we're looking for more partners than the end user consumer, so that they can be able to penetrate our products in all sectors, in all areas in the country.
The management of the company says the establishment of the factory highlights CBNM's strategic expansion into Africa, reflecting confidence in the continent market's potential and commitment to contribute to its infrastructure development. Felix Q for Lunchtime News.